hose is coming apart. Ooh. To add to the amount of labor involved, the diameter of the seacock is different than the strainer. So I've got this adapter fitting midstream. Oh, and something's dripping. Fresh water. I've been battling this fitting here. See the drip? It's just crap. I keep tightening and replacing parts. I gotta rip all this out and switch to PEX. I got this braided hose that converts to copper, and copper runs that go around the fuel tanks. Add that to the list of projects, is to replumb the fresh water in the boat. This sea strainer defies the laws of biology. I have never cleaned it because I can't get the cover off. I need to order some kind of specialty spanner wrench to open it up, but looking inside, it's empty right now because I disconnected the hose, but there's no growth in there. There's nothing. How is that possible? All right, one of my hose clamps under the sea strainer is not it's a pressed on clamp, so I can't get it off until I remove the sea strainer. So I can get a piece of plier, bite on it with some pliers. Recently read an article about hose clamps and have learned to only buy the best, which in this case are ABA non-perforated strap. Read another article on double clamping and how that in a lot of cases double clamp is more destructive or higher risk than a single clamp if it's a situation where the barb is not long enough to accommodate the diameter of two clamps. If you're partially clamping, say like right here, then it can put uneven pressure on the hose and cause the hose to start to tear as you clamp down on the edge. So in cases where there is not enough depth for two hose clamps, it's safer to simply run one clamp that has firm and even pressure. Paint pen starting to fall apart. Not my best penmanship, but serves its purpose. Getting the old hose off the generator raw water pump proved to be a big pain in the butt. That's the output side. I haven't messed with that hose yet. I replaced the intake. At a future date, I will do these 3 hoses that run through the heat exchanger, and also do the exhaust hoses to the lift muffler, and then the one that loops around to the through hull. Oh, but I've had enough for today. $76 in parts.